In this video, you will come to know how to install and set up Eclipse IDE for Windows. Go for Google, type for Eclipse download. And download Eclipse Installer EXE application from Eclipse official website. Let's run Eclipse Installer EXE file. Eclipse provides various Eclipse IDE applications based on the programming language, and on the purpose that it is required to us. So, our requirement is Java programming language. And our purpose is to build Java projects from beginner level to enterprise level. Therefore, we will choose Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java developers. Eclipse is built on Java, and it runs on Java runtime environment. So, this Eclipse is required with minimum Java 11 and above runtime environment. Therefore, with this Eclipse, it is installing me JRE 15 as a default. And my Eclipse installation path is this. Now, I want to change Eclipse installation folder. So, I will change it to C drive, softwares folder. Let's keep Eclipse installer window, and Eclipse installation path window, side by side. Now, let's begin Eclipse installation. Let's accept it. Let's also accept them. Now, installation is continued. Eclipse got installed successfully. Let's launch. During Eclipse launch, it will ask for Workspace folder. It is a location where we will keep our Eclipse projects. I choose this location as my workspace. And then, I launch. Now, we launched into Eclipse welcome page. Therefore, we have installed Eclipse IDE for Java successfully. In this way, we can also install other Eclipse IDEs in Eclipse Installer. That's it.